Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be playing Cabin Crew Simulator. Cabin Crew Simulator. Right. So this is a airplane game. I have played it a few times, and I have played it a few times, and I have a business class plane. So if you all think we're gonna start off with a business class plane, that's not true. We're gonna start off with a small plane with not even 20 passengers, and you're gonna earn 100 Skybucks. But I have the plane which I'm gonna earn 500 or 1000 Skybucks, I think. But I don't know. I have to confirm. And we are gonna play it today. So everybody, if you want to be, so I'm gonna start something. I'm not deciding. My comments are off. So yeah. So whatever. So we're in, and now let's start off. Why isn't this loading? This is as annoying as Souls Identity. My last video was of Souls Identity. If you guys have seen it, then you would have. And I was collabing with two other people. They started in August or something. So I was collabing with them, but then they didn't get on the call, so I said that I am not going to collab with them. We're in. So 500 free Skybucks. Green. Alright. Let's move. Basically, in this game, you are like a flight attendant. Oh my god, that guy has 110 flags. Imagine he did not buy a different plane. That's why he only gets 4,000 Skybucks. That would be something, but whatever. Max Skybucks 1,450. We're not gonna earn that until our menu is gonna be full. And oh my god, let's cross into this. Nobody wants to go around this, bro. That's a few. No. Let's go back and let's go to Seattle. Seattle. Messenger command 062. But we do not care. Got 3 very small friends. Okay. Probably people travel with cars on Seattle from roadblocks here, since roadblocks here is very. No, why did I say that? don't know. A320. So we need like 16 more. Bro, Headless Horseman. This whole idea of dogme. If you all don't know what a dogme is, then you're not an OG player. You're not an OG player of Cabin Crew, no Roblox. You are going to economy, both of you, because you both for real. Bro, go to Vegas. Where is it? I wonder. Okay, go. No. The wheels is amazing. Right. I can't wait to start. Bro. Turbulence? You could crash mid-air. So, nobody wants turbulence during the flight. I'm not gonna go through here. This is called a metal detector, and they say it's a scanner. Please go to one of the scanners. One of the scanners. There's only one scanner. The rest are metal detectors. I only make them work at economy because there are more people. This is Chinese flight. Please buckle up and enjoy. Bro, I'm so thirsty right now. Bro. Start running. I don't know. Imagine taking out your cards. I decided one thing. Not playing Cabin Crew Simulator. Why? Because I am getting a lot of lag. And if I get lag, it won't be a good gameplay. And Roblox will probably shut down. And then I'll stop recording. Okay. Thank God. Okay. Now, let's play something else. Okay. So he's playing Box Roots, he's playing Plays Night. She's playing Soldier and G, he's playing Catalog Avatar, he's playing Laco. I don't know what that is, but I haven't played. I'm gonna do it in another video. Since we couldn't play Cabin Crew Simulator, we are not gonna play anything else. Where in the next video, I'm gonna post another video today, and it's gonna be playing the Haunt. So I'm gonna maybe do a live stream. Maybe. Okay. So maybe I'm gonna do a live stream of the Haunt and also a video of the Haunt, so everybody can watch it. And some people, no, I'm not gonna do a live because nobody's gonna watch the live. So yeah, so we're gonna play the Haunt in the next video. Till then, everybody out.